Hey, what's going on, guys? I have a great video here for you. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a passive income stream. But the best part is this is not just a passive income stream that I can create because I've been doing this for 8 years. No, this works for beginners as well. So this is my affiliate marketing and passive income Facebook group. If you do want to join, just go ahead and search this out and put in the request and I'll accept you. But the reason I have this up is because there was a great post that happened here the other day, and this is from one of the members of the Facebook group. And he talks about how he just earned some commissions, but the best part is you could see that he actually earned commissions while he was sleeping. I made these commissions while sleeping last night, right? And you can tell by his reaction that this was kind of a new thing for him. So what happens here is this particular program that I'm going to show you. There's a very simple way to actually make money with this program. And once again, it works for me, but it also works for Jamar as well, who's a newbie. But what happens is every time you get a commission, they send you a notification. And what you can see here is that he got the notifications at 3:52, 3:55, 3:57, and 4:02 a.m. So obviously he was sleeping at the time. Now, the reason there are 4 different commission notifications right in a row is because this particular affiliate program has upsells and a value ladder. So why that's important is very simple. This means that with one click, one individual, they came through his funnel, which I'm going to show you the simple 2-page funnel in this video, and they purchased 4 different products. Now, I don't know how much he earned for this one, or this one, but you can see right here, for this notification, he earned $44 and presumably 70 cents, okay? So he earned probably at least 50 bucks, maybe $100, maybe more from one person who bought while he was sleeping. So the reason that is important is because when you can convert and make more money per click, then you don't have to refer as much traffic to hit your income goals with affiliate marketing. So let's look through this, then I'll take you across the top here and show you everything. That way, when this video is over, you know exactly how to set up the system that works for me, that works for Jamar, and you'll know the right program to promote and how to get the traffic for it. But really quickly, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is great for beginners because all you do is you partner with people who have products for sale and you become an affiliate for them. Then all you have to do is refer traffic to their program. And when people buy their stuff, you get a commission. And oftentimes, and if you're picking the right product, it's a pretty hefty commission. And that's great because they handle all the credit card processing. They handle all the product creation, product fulfillment, and customer service. And they handle everything. All you have to do is refer traffic and earn. This is great because this allows you to focus on less things to make more money. All right, so let's read through this really quickly. It says, first off, big thanks to Brian Brewer for teaching strategies that do work if you keep pushing through even when you think nothing is working. I read that because that's an important sentence. So many people, especially beginners, when they go out there and decide that they want to make money online or they want to become an affiliate marketer, they start researching all these strategies and then they see something that looks good and they see something that seems to be proven and then they go ahead and start implementing it. And they try really hard for like a week or two, and then they give up because they're not seeing results. And that's the thing. That's what most people do. That's like what 99% of people do. However, the 1% of people who trust the system, they find a system that works, they trust the system, and then they see the system all the way through, even when it seems like nothing is working. Well, those are the 1% that finally break through. And once you break through, everything starts to snowball in many cases. But that's the key. You got to keep pushing even when you think nothing is working, because the fact of the matter is the results only come after the hard work is already done. So he goes on and says the case studies were huge in helping me help and instrumental in my progress. The 2-step funnel and landing page, the 2-step funnel, landing page plus bridge page setup is the winning formula. I can 100% confirm this. Now, he learned this because he joined affiliate marketing case studies. I'll go ahead and link it if you want to get in there. But this video, I'm going to show you the whole funnel. I'm going to show you the winning formula right in this video. So stick with me here. He says, All I did was take what Brian gave us. I changed it up to personalize and brand it as my own. I made a 5-minute personal video on the bridge page, which I feel isn't perfect. I made it randomly in my car as I was testing it. He just did it selfie style. And then he has a follow-up email sequence. That formula right there was enough to have him finally hit his breakthrough and start earning these commissions. I expect many more are going to come in the future. But enough about that. Let's move forward and actually look at the entire process here. That way you know exactly what you have to do to start seeing these type of results, or maybe even better. So first and foremost, we have to talk about the product that we're partnering with. And the product that we're going to partner with is Legendary Marketer. Now there are 1,000, million, 10 million, who knows how many affiliate programs out there, but not all affiliate offers are created equal. The Legendary Marketer affiliate program is one of the best affiliate programs for beginners for two very simple reasons. First and foremost, they have education here. They have things like the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. They have the Marketers Club. They have the Rolodex. They're creating Traffic University. They have Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint. They have the information. They have the education. They want you to succeed, so they have some of the best marketing and affiliate marketing training available for you. And that's such a relief, because so many affiliate programs, they just go out there and they give you the affiliate links and then kind of like turn you loose. And that works for them because oftentimes like the best affiliates already know what to do and they make up a lion's share of the commissions. But programs like Legendary Marketer, they cater more to the beginner. They try to educate you so that you can be successful promoting their products. And it's a very smart business model, because if they educate you and you do better, then they do better. Once again, that's why Legendary Marketer is such a great program. So you can invest and get the education, but then you learn the products that you're promoting. You can turn around and you can sell them better. You can make a better recommendation. It's a much more honest approach to affiliate marketing when you actually purchase the products that you promote. Now, you don't have to go through and purchase every single product that they have. I'm not saying that, but it's good to get in there and start learning a little bit about the program. That'll help you build the skills, help you build the knowledge, and it'll help you create the content that's going to drive traffic that's going to earn you the commissions. So that's the program that you want to partner with, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can copy the simple 2-page funnel that I use. Once again, it's the landing page and the bridge page, just like Jamar mentioned as the winning formula. Okay, it worked for me, it worked for him. So this is what the simple 2-page web page looks like. You can go over to my15daychallenge.com to check it out. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sign up. You're going to want to give me your email here if you're going to go through and promote this product. The reason is simple. I am going to let you copy this website for free. Okay, that way you don't have to actually build it. You just copy it. Then all you have to do is do like Jamar does and customize it for your brand. You put your picture here. You put your name there, you put your business there, and if you don't have one, you just delete it. That simple. Now, what this webpage does is it introduces people to an opportunity. This is the landing page. This is where we're sending all the traffic, and I'm going to show you how to get free traffic in just a moment here. But this is it. All the traffic goes here. This talks about how to start a profitable online business, even if you think you've tried everything. And this is going to show you the exact framework that allowed me to create a multiple 6-figure affiliate marketing business in my spare time. Now, I've done that. I've created a multiple 6-figure affiliate marketing business, so I can say that. If you haven't done that, that's no problem. The website that I give you when you copy my website has a much more general terminology, much more general phrasing. And basically all I say is the exact framework that is responsible for 6-figure affiliate marketing businesses. Because there are people who are using the exact same framework, the affiliate marketing framework, to build 6 and 7 and even 8-figure affiliate marketing businesses. So that's not a lie. All right, so this is the first page. I use it, Jamar uses it, and this is where we send all the traffic to. So someone comes here and says, cool, I want a profitable online business. They click start now. I collect their email so I can follow up with them. You remember Jamar said that's an important part of the whole business here. He said something about a lengthy follow-up email series, which provides maximum value and clarity about the program. So after I collect the email, I'm going to forward them over to page 2 of the funnel. And This is the bridge page. Okay, the first page we just took a look at was the landing page. This page is the bridge page. And as Jamar said, the landing page plus the bridge page is the winning formula. So after they enter their email, they're automatically forwarded to this page. And this is where I tell them they can work personally with an 8-figure marketer to launch your own affiliate marketing business. Now, the cool thing here is me personally, I'm not an 8-figure affiliate marketer. I've done very well, but I have not made 8 figures with affiliate marketing yet. However, Dave, who created Legendary Marketer, he's the 8-figure marketer that you have the opportunity to partner with when you join the Legendary Marketer and you sign up for the 15-day online business builder challenge. So once again, we're not saying we're 8-figure marketers, but we're introducing them to an opportunity. Now, right here is one of the most important components of the whole funnel. Okay, this is the bridge page video. Just like Jamar said, he made a 5-minute personal video on the bridge page, which he said isn't perfect. He made it randomly, selfie style probably, in his car, and turns out it was successful because sometimes the lower the production value, the more authentic it looks, and that gets people to take action. So this video, what are you going to say in this video? Well, it's very simple. You talk about the opportunity. You can say things like, I wanted to make money online. Then I found affiliate marketing. Here's what affiliate marketing is. If you want to work with the best affiliate partner, then go check out the Legendary Marketer program. Okay? That's it. But the reason this video has to be here is this because this is like making an introduction. Okay? In just a second, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic using things like Facebook groups or YouTube if you want to. But the thing is when you create content and drive traffic that way, what happens is people are coming in there and they're getting to know you. And just like now, you're getting to know me, even if it's only my voice and my cadence and my delivery, but you're getting to know my story. So if I told you right down below, hey, go ahead and check out this other program by Dave Sharp, then you're going to go and it's just kind of like a random introduction to a random person, and it doesn't convert that way. However, this bridge page, okay, where I come in and I make the personal introduction with this specific video that talks about this specific problem, okay, that's like inviting you into my house and into my living room and saying, hey, I've got a great opportunity for you. You're going to want to take a look at it because it's legit. It works for me. It's worked for other people I've recommended it to. Why don't you go check it out? All you have to do is click on the button that's on this page to go check it out, right? So it's as simple as that. I have some other testimonials down here. If you're going to copy this website, just make sure you update your biography information right in this section here and swap out your video. But everything else is pretty much good to go. Now, once they click the Start Now button, they're going to be taken over to a video sales letter. Let me show you what that looks like really quickly, and then we'll show you how to get the traffic for it, okay? So once they click on that button, let's go ahead and get logged in. We'll go to our affiliate account. We'll find our affiliate links, and we find those under funnels. The business challenge, we click on the affiliate links. We scroll down. We grab this sales page affiliate link right there and go ahead and copy that. And this is where that button's going to send people. You can see it sends them over to the Online Business Builder Challenge, how they can get started, and it has our unique affiliate ID in there. Now, once they click on that button, they're taken over to this page, and this is where they're going to be first introduced to Dave Sharp. Now, they're going to click on this button, and they're going to hear a message from Dave Sharp. They're going to learn about the Legendary Marketer program. At this point, you've already made the introduction. Now, Dave is going to tell them how they can make more money and learn the skills and build their business with the Legendary Marketer program. And once they get that information, they're going to click Get Started. There's a small investment. I think it's like $7 or something like that. And because you referred them there and that unique URL is there, you're going to get the commission plus anything that they buy on the back end, right? So really cool. Guys, if you want to learn more about this, the best way to go is go over to my15daychallenge.com. I'll link it in the description below. Make sure you get the template if you want to use my website. Learn more about the program from Dave. If it's of interest to you, make the small investment and start getting in there and learning the program, because it's going to take a few days to get approved as an affiliate. So I want to get that process started. So that's the best thing to do right now. After you do that, then you can start creating your content that's going to drive the traffic. And this, guys, couldn't be more simple. I talked about the authenticity factor, right? Sometimes the lower the production value, the more authentic it looks. Go out there and create Facebook groups. Look at all these affiliate marketing Facebook groups. And what you do is you bring people into these Facebook groups. You put posts in there that increase the engagement. And when Facebook sees that these groups have a lot of engagement and people are joining them and commenting and such, well, then they're going to recommend your groups to other people. And this is how you get targeted traffic. It's kind of like leveraging Facebook's targeting, but for free. And then you just make sure you keep mentioning the Business Builder Challenge and the Legendary Marketer Opportunity and send people over to your website, okay? Or you can do what all the top guys are doing here. You're seeing these guys here who are the top earners for today. I haven't done very well this past week, but over the last 30 days, I'm top 11 with this program. So that's pretty good. They're all using YouTube. And YouTube works, guys. All you got to do is go on YouTube and create affiliate marketing videos and then mention the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Marketing Opportunity and send them over to your website. And maybe you're not going to get like 103,000 views on your first video, but you could see over here on the right-hand side, if I just type in affiliate marketing, this is a great overall score. It means the volume is high and the competition is low. So there is a huge opportunity right now to do this. Just start looking through some of these affiliate marketing videos. You're going to say, oh, there's some with me. There's one with me. There's one with me. There's one with me. Hey, cool. Just start creating affiliate marketing videos. Start answering questions about affiliate marketing. If you don't know the answer, just Google it. And then always make sure you recommend your website, right? That's all you got to do. Guys, if you want to get started, go over to the 15daychallenge.com. I'll link it below. It's my15daychallenge.com. This is how you learn more. This is how you get the template. This is the winning formula for Jamar. But let me show you one more thing really quickly. That's really cool. Go over to answerthepublic.com. If you've never heard of this website, what this does is this actually talks about what people are searching. So type in affiliate marketing here. Okay. Click search. This is free. This is a free website. You get a certain number of searches every day, but you won't hit your limit. So what it's going to do, it's going to go out there, it's going to gather data, and it's going to take a look at all the questions that people are actually asking about affiliate marketing. It's going to present them to you in this very, very simple, very elegant visual display. So you look at all these questions, and then you answer all these questions on YouTube. So let's see here. How affiliate marketing works, step by step. Okay. Well, if you don't know, just Google it and then recite that into a video. You can create a PowerPoint presentation, but basically very simple. Step 1, you find an affiliate partner to work with. Step 2, you join the affiliate marketing program. Step 3, you get your unique link. Step 4, you create a bridge page. Step 5, you drive traffic to your landing page that forwards people over to their bridge page. And step 6, you follow up with email, right? Like, all that's it. Just turn that into a video. Turn that into PowerPoint. And you're going to start getting traffic from YouTube. You can post that video in your Facebook group. That's going to increase engagement in your Facebook group. And then just keep rinsing and repeating. Answer all these questions. It doesn't have to be super professional. You just have to go out there and do it. There's more. There's all kinds of suggestions down here. Affiliate marketing for Amazon. How do you start affiliate marketing for Amazon? Go over to Amazon.com. Scroll down to the bottom of Amazon. You're going to see this little link down here. Become an affiliate. Click on that link. Then you can join for free. Right? Show them how it takes it over to a page. There you go. There you go. This is how you sign up to become an affiliate with Amazon. Very simple. You could turn that into a video. You don't even have to put yourself on camera here. You can just do voice over screen share. Very simple. And then just say, hey, affiliate marketing on Amazon is great, but if you want to earn big, high-ticket commissions, well, let me talk to you about the Legendary Marketer Opportunity. You can learn more by going over to my15daychallenge.com or whatever domain you're hosting your website on. I hope this is making sense. I hope some light bulbs are going off. You can see this is the winning formula, guys. Just like Jamar said, the 2-page landing page and bridge page is the winning formula. You can copy mine, go over to my15daychallenge.com. I'll link it in the description below. And then it's just about creating the content, making the recommendation, and following up with email. Guys, it's really that simple. I hope you like this video. Make sure you check out the channel, the Becoming Legendary channel here, because it's all about helping you make more money with the Legendary Marketer program. And there's a lot of great videos on this channel. Also, consider hitting bell notifications and subscribing. That way you do get notified when I release a brand new video. All right, we'll see you soon. Have a great day.